Welcome back to the MyBuy tutorial. In this video, we will guide you on how to receive and complete orders with your customers. Let's get started. All orders received from your customers will be listed on your home screen. You can check the details of each order by simply tapping on View Details. You will receive orders in one of the four ways: voice order, photo order, text order, or list order. The type of order you receive depends on how you have set up your store items. Additional details you see include delivery address, preferred time slot, and estimated amount. The final bill amount, depending on the availability of items, can be updated after accepting the order. If you have any doubt with the order, you can connect directly with your customer using the call or chat feature. Now, you can either accept or reject an order. It's best if you accept orders as soon as you get them. If not, the customer may cancel the order, thinking you're not able to supply the items. If you're not able to deliver the order for any reason, you can reject the order. To check the status of all your orders, tap on Orders on the bottom menu bar. Here, you will see all the details of your received, accepted, and completed orders. Remember to mark order completed when you have successfully delivered to the customer. Let's learn how to process each order type. Let's start with voice order. Your customer will send a voice recording with the item details. Tap on View Details, press on the play button, listen to the order and note it down. And then enter the total amount payable. If needed, upload a picture of the bill and tap on the Accept button to accept the order. Next, photo order. Your customer will send a picture of items list like this. Tap on View Details, then tap on the image. Note down the order details, enter the amount payable, upload the picture of the bill, and accept the order. The third type is text order, where your customer will type in each item they would like. Tap on View Details, add the bill amount payable, and accept the order. The last type of order is the list order option, where your customer will select from a list of items uploaded by you. It will look like this in the order section, and once you press on View Details, you can see the items and the prices are already available. You just need to press Accept. If you have any queries with your order, you can easily contact your customers directly by tapping here. Customers are most likely to use the list order as it shows them the item prices and also the total amount due at the time of the order. Customers may also like to make digital payments at the time of the order placement. In case you don't have an item that is ordered by the customer and they have already paid digitally, you should give them cash credit at the time of the delivery. To avoid this situation, mark the unavailability in your items list when you run out of stock. If you are stuck anywhere, anytime, MyBuy team is always available to assist you. From the home screen, tap on the hamburger and tap on Contact MyBuy and get your issues resolved. Now here's an interesting feature. MyBuy lets you open or close your online shop. If you want to stop taking orders temporarily, all you have to do is come to the home screen and switch off this button. Best is to leave your MyBuy shop open and keep it working for you, even when you are sleeping. You can keep the shop open and take orders, but just let the customers know that you will process them later. Congratulations! You have successfully completed the order completion tutorial. Go try it yourself. In the next video, we will guide you through the advanced features like creating promotions, tracking your revenue, and inviting customers to accelerate your online business with MyBuy.